Check this out. I have a clean Ubuntu 12.04 desktop and I'm going to install the HPCC Systems Platform, a supercomputer in 5 minutes or less. First, let's get the platform install package from the HPCCSystems.com site. It's really important that you pick the correct Debian package to match your version of Ubuntu. I'm going to download and save the package. While we wait for the download to complete, I want to point out that this video is simply to show you how you don't need to be a Linux genius to install and boot up your own supercomputer.
I just want to ask you a quick question. Why do you say Ubuntu instead of Ubuntu?
Oh, that's because Ubuntu is from the classic South African philosophy, meaning open and available to others. I'm South African, so that's how I roll, bro.
Awesome.
Once the download is complete, we are going to switch to the command line and install the platform. Change directory to the downloads folder where we downloaded the Debian package and install the platform. When it finishes installing, you will notice a bunch of warnings about dependencies. To resolve these dependencies, we type in apt-get-install-f. We'll download and install all the dependencies. This takes a while on my slow internet connection. Dad. While we wait, I thought I would play some dubstep I created with Music Maker Jam.
What's up with the dubstep?
Oh, any data scientist worth her salt should have her own dubstep theme for background music.
All right. So you're a data scientist. What are you going to do as a data science project?
Well, I thought I could load 100 million tweets and do an analysis and prove that One Direction is better than Justin Bieber.
But you have to have a hypothesis first.
Oh. Then my hypothesis is that One Direction is 5 times the man that Justin Bieber is.
Okay, I get that.
The neat thing is that once the install completes and we boot up the system, we can hit the web admin tool, ECL Watch, and see that we are up and running and ready to rumble. There are a bunch of components included in the install. Dolly, Thor, Roxy, and ESP, and more. These are all the server-side components you need for a big data experiment. Open up a browser on localhost port 8010. to get to ECL launch. And there you have it, a supercompute in less than 5 minutes.